there, brains, and welcome
back to another episode. This episode, we're going to do the bagger build series that everybody wanted to do. Today we're installing the Vance & Hines Pro Pipe 2-in-1 in black. Then we're going to move to the S&S Teardrop Air Cleaner in black as well. And finish it off with the Vance & Hines Fuel Pack 3 Fuel Management System. All these parts were purchased at GetLower.com, which everyone knows is a wonderful sponsor for this channel. So enough of me jabbering, let's get to work.
So just like half of these shots are going to be is just y'all reading the directions.
Well, there you have it, guys. That is the Stage 1 on 2015 Road Glide FLTRX, the S&S Teardrop intake, the Vance & Hines Pro Pipe 2-in-1, and the Fuel Pack 3. I'd like to thank our sponsors, Get Lowered. They supplied everything to me. Excellent customer service and answered all my questions. Be on the lookout for a first impressions video coming soon. And as always, hit that like button. Oh. See, now I'm on the spot, which is weird because I did it before. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't already, punch that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Boom.